Quick update on XRP. Had a complex correction for our A wave. Currently working on our B wave, looking for a C wave to the upside over the longer term view. Alternately, our B wave is in here. This is the much less probable count, and this turns into a WXY, where we get a complex series of complex corrections. We'd be looking for a 3, 3, 3, like so. But based on the previous price action in the last year, it looks very improbable for that to happen. A way I could get my mind changed on that is if we hold the 786 here, we then make some sort of flat pattern like so, and we channel in this area. This is the only way I would be interested in upside currently. Something like that, where we'd expect our next wave to go up to new highs above the A wave, and all this would do is create a larger ABC like so. So that's my alternate, very improbable in my point of view. What seems the most likely, because this looks so weak, is we are making an ending diagonal ABC and looking for targets at 13.69 cents, and that is where the A will equal the C, expecting a series of ABCs to the downside. Now, last video, if you saw it, I was looking for this higher C wave as an ABC. It appears like this, if we get this move up to the 50 and the 618 of this down move with the high up here in July, for further downside for the beginning of our wave 1 in the ending diagonal, as you can see. Go back to the hourly. What I was looking for last video was a breach above this level highlighted, and I was looking to go long if we got support in this area, only between the 50 and the 618, at which point we would figure out our targets based on the wave pivots. Haven't gotten that yet. It appears pretty ugly. Could be a leading diagonal, could be a complex correction, and we could turn into way too many patterns for it to be a high probability trade currently. For example, we could get, these are just examples of what you can get. We can get a triangle in here, A, B, C, D, E, and we just fall apart to the downside and go for that C wave in our first wave of the ending diagonal, or we could just tag slightly above and then fall off a cliff as a WXY. There's just too many options to happen here to be a high probability trade, so I'm going to stay sidelined here unless it appears a leading diagonal has filled out or a 5-wave impulse, but both seem unlikely at the moment. But first indications that we need further upside are breaking this level, at which point I will update and look for consolidation rather than impulsive moves to the downside. But that's my current look at XRP. I'm sidelined at the moment until something becomes more clear. If we do get a triangle here, I will get the trade eventually, but not until those waves fill out at the proper fib levels, just to give us a higher probability on that option. Again, we don't have 5 waves up, so no high probability for a next move up, and we haven't breached this level yet. So just waiting in the meantime to get some clarity on XRP, but my view on the larger term count is more downside, potentially from the 50 and the 618. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Check my other updates. There's a lot of trade options available currently. XRP is just one of the lower probability at the moment. Thanks for watching.